Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I ordered a new portable charger and it's just turned up, so I thought I'd try this out. I'm usually out and about and I like to be prepared, especially when I'm out for a while. This is a UGREEN power bank. Packaging is quite simple, nothing too over the top. And of course, Cat tries to sit in a tiny box. He's back again. I don't know why he does this. That box is clearly too small for him. Anyways, inside the box you get the power bank itself, and then you've got the charging cable in there, USB-C. The length is quite decent, and you get this pouch. Loads of these little booklets, which is just the basic specs and all that information in there. The pouch is quite handy if you've got a MacBook in your bag or anything and you want to put the power bank there, so it will prevent it from being scratched. So quite handy. It looks quite nice, my favorite part. I do want to weigh it though, because it does feel heavy, but at the same time not. Don't judge me, I'm going to use my food scale. It weighs around 491 grams, which is not too bad. So on this side, you've got two USB-C ports and USB-A port, which means you can charge multiple devices at the same time, which is brilliant. This button here shows the battery level of the power bank itself, which is quite handy, nothing too complicated. I like how the little screen is hidden away and it's not in your face. Now, I've been using this power bank for a while. This is Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank. So looking at this one, you've got USB-C port and you've got USB-C-A ports here as well. The only reason why I switched is because this is quite chunky and quite heavy to carry around. USB-C is for faster charging and USB-A ports are just for your usual cables. Now let's weigh this one as well, just so I can see the difference. This one weighs about 647 grams, which makes this one 156 grams heavier. So yeah, definitely I made a good choice. It's very nice looking, but it's very chunky and very heavy. And yeah, 156 does make a massive difference. Not gonna lie, I actually prefer the design of Anker. Just looks a bit nicer to me. The UGREEN is clean, but maybe a bit too plain. The main reason I ordered this one is because it's slimmer. Anker is quite chunky, and you definitely notice it in your bag. Whereas this one, just easier to carry around with you. I also want to check which one charges the MacBook faster. So let's put that to a test. We'll time it for 2 minutes and see which one charges faster and which one charges more. So while these are charging, both of these are actually quite powerful. Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank, it can go up to around 250 watts. And the UGREEN goes up to around 145 watts, which is already strong enough to properly charge something like a MacBook. So on paper, this one can push out even more power, Anker. They both support fast charging as well, so they're designed to charge devices very quickly, not just slowly top them up. And in terms of capacity, UGREEN is about 25,000 mAh and Anker is about 27,650 mAh. So they both hold a lot of charge. So really, both of these are more than capable. It's not like one is weak and the other one is strong. They're both quite powerful, just in slightly different ways. And I think that's the main thing to understand. Even though this one can go up to 250 watts, your MacBook isn't always going to use all of that. It will only draw in what it needs. So in short tests like this, you're not necessarily going to see a massive difference straight away. They both support fast charging as well, which just means they can deliver power efficiently through USB-C. So you're not slowly topping things up. They're designed to actually charge your devices properly. And you've got multiple ports on both of them, so you can charge your MacBook and something else at the same time, like your phone or your AirPods or whatever. And to be fair, another thing to keep in mind is how you're actually using your MacBook while it's charging. If you've got loads of things open, like editing, browsing, multiple apps, it's going to be pulling in more power at the same time. So in that situation, something with a higher output can keep up a little bit better. Whereas if you're just doing light stuff, both of these are more than capable. Both of these can charge multiple devices at once, as I mentioned, so you could have your MacBook plugged in and still charge your phone at the same time, which is quite useful if you're out and about. And because they've both got fairly large capacity, you're not just going to get one charge out of them, you can get a few top-ups depending on what you're charging. So yeah, it's less about which one is better and more about what you actually need it for, because realistically, most people aren't going to be pushing these to their limits at all times. A lot of the time, you're just topping things up throughout the day, and that's where things like size, weight start to matter a bit more, especially if you're carrying it around with you. Also, both of these feel very well made overall, so you're not really sacrificing quality with either of them. So yeah, it just comes down to what really suits you best. Yeah, and I really like Anker. The only reason why I got UGREEN is because, once again, it fits really nicely in my bag. It's not chunky. I can just slide it in, and I already have a lot of things in my bag like MacBook, iPads, and my AirPods Max. So yeah, I'm just trying to get something that's slightly lighter so it's not too heavy on my back. Okay, so now it has been a couple of minutes, so let's have a look. Let's pause this. This one went up by 2%, and this also went up by 2%. So yeah, like short top-ups like this, it's not going to make a massive difference. Both of them went up by 2%. I've had this Anker for a while now, and to be fair, I've got no complaints with it. I've been using it quite regularly. It's been very reliable, never had any issues with charging or anything like that. Let's show you what it actually looks like compared to my hand. It is as big as my hand, but like I said, it's quite chunky and it's quite heavy, so it's hard to carry it around. Whereas UGREEN is quite thin, pretty much the same size as Anker, slightly smaller but a lot thinner, and that's pretty much the main reason why I went for this, to be fair. Like I mentioned earlier, it just slides in easily into my bag. I don't have to worry about, you know, it not fitting and it being too heavy. So as I hike quite a lot, and all my fellow hikers would know that even a tiny bit of weight on your back makes a massive difference. So yeah, I love Anker. It's amazing, but it is heavy. But UGREEN is thinner, less heavier than the Anker. So, and again, it slides in nicely. I know I've mentioned this quite a lot, but I really, really like it. So I thought I'd mention that a few times. That was the main reason why I changed it. And if you're someone that does not really care about the size, Anker does everything you need and it's brilliant, so definitely go for that. And if you're looking for something smaller, thinner, go for UGREEN. It does not really compromise the power, but it's just slightly thinner and it just slides in easily. So yes, I've said it a million times and I will keep saying it because it's really helped me a lot. So is it worth switching? If you want something dependable, both of these are actually really good, but if you want something slimmer and easier to carry, that would be UGREEN. And if you prefer something that feels a bit more solid, prestige, it would be Anker, which is slightly stronger as well. So this is just my honest take, nothing too complicated. Both of these are amazing, just depends on what you really need. Let me know which one you would go for in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.